Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to translate an image into multiple languages. So if we just drag the image that we want to translate into the redaka app, then we deselect the areas we don't want to translate. So in this case, just for speed, I'm going to deselect these areas here, and we're just going to translate the headline and the subheading. Click confirm, and then we're going to translate it into French. So I'll click translate. Okay, the font recognition's been done, so we click confirm. The text's been removed. Click next. And then the French text has been replaced. I just need to adjust this a little bit, so I'll stretch it so it's over one line, make it centralized. Likewise with this area here. Make it centralized. I'm just going to make that bold. Okay, I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to export it to save it. To add a new language, I come to the image that I want to add the new language for, and I click the pen button to edit. In this screen, I click the Add New Translation button here. I'm going to select Google as the service, English as the from language, and this time we're going to go to German. I click Translate, I click Confirm, and there you go, you can see it's appeared. In this case, there's no need to select which areas of text that you want. The app just uses the same areas of text that you used to translate the first image. So I'll click the edit button just to show you. You can see the German text has appeared on screen. Again, we just need to make the small adjustments to make sure that it's in the right position. Okay, I'm happy with that. You can see the area here didn't get translated because when we made our initial first translation of the image, we deselected these area for translation. When we added the German translation, the app just used exactly the same areas of text for translation as it did when we made the French translation. It just replicated the same areas of text to be translated.